Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 18th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. And we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So, if you watched my morning video on the Euro dollar, you know that I think this could be a top over here, a top of a wave B on the daily time frame. If that is true, then we should be in a new downtrend on like the daily to 4-hour. And also, that would tell me that anything I see to the upside is potentially nothing more than a pullback to the last impulsive move down. So I'm definitely keeping my Fibonacci retracement on these shorter time frames. I'm looking for nice big, three-way pullbacks to a Fibonacci level, nice engulfing moves to the downside at Fib levels for more entries to go short, hopefully for the continuation of this brand new downtrend that we're hopefully going to see on the daily time frame. So definitely looking for shorts on pullbacks, Fibonacci bounces, engulfing moves to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.